Hi, and welcome to this edition of PV Apps for Education. Today we're going to take a look at PowerPoint, specifically how you can create links within a PowerPoint. I've created a presentation on Newton's 3 laws, and I'd like to use this as a review game. So I've set up my slides to have each law labeled. I'll have a definition of each law, as well as a picture hint for each law. What I'd like to do is link slide 1 for law 1 to that hint picture. To do this, I put in a text box that says the word hint. You could use a symbol as well, but I chose to use the word hint. I'm going to go to where I see this insert text box, and if I click the down arrow, I'll see hyperlink. I could also highlight the text box and do insert hyperlink, or last but not least, I could secondary click or right click on that and do hyperlink. All three do exactly the same thing, just 3 different ways. So I'm going to click the down caret, hyperlink, and I have some options here. I can choose to hyperlink this to the web, to a document, or to an email address. I'm going to choose document for this specific slide because I'd like it to go somewhere else in this PowerPoint. So I highlight document here, and where it says anchor, I'm going to do locate. I can choose from any of the options you see here, but what I'd like to do is slide title. So I know that the slide I'd like to go this to go to is slide number 7. So I'll highlight slide 7, OK, press OK, and now you can see that's a hyperlink because it's turned to this blue text. And if I play the presentation, I can go ahead and click that, and it'll go to that slide with the hint for Law 1. Well, I'd like this slide to have a couple hyperlinks itself. I'm going to do one for I know this law and one for I know or I need another hint. So if I need another hint, I can go to the web and grab a hint for law number 1. I'll search for a site, Newton's. And I know that I like this physics classroom, so I'm going to grab this link. I'll come back to PowerPoint, grab my text, hyperlink, and this time I'm going to do web page. So if the student doesn't know that law's definition after they see the hint, they can still go to this web page. And this time I'll put it in link to. I'm going to go ahead and put that web address there. Press OK. There's my link. And I'd also like to link this part to, if they know the law, to the slide in my presentation that has that definition so they can check their thinking. So this time I'll do insert hyperlink, and I'm going to do document, locate, and I know it goes to slide 4. So slide 4. And I forgot to highlight all the text. Let me try that again quickly. Okay. Okay, there we go. Let's test this out. See if the hint works to launch the website. It does. And let's make sure our other hyperlink works. And notice they only work within the presentation mode. And then last but not least, I'd like to select and link a back button so they can go to the second law and test their thinking on that. So we'll do back, and I'll hyperlink this as well. So I have a circle, and the students can play this entire game through. And we'll do OK. Let's test this one, make sure it goes back to law 2, and it does. What I would do to finish creating my game is link my hint and know this law to the correct slides or websites so that the student can get to the hint picture for law 2, or they can try to answer for law 2. as well as if they don't know what the law is after they see this picture, they can click the hint and go to a web page to read more about it. So this is one way that you can use PowerPoint and hyperlinks within PowerPoint to create an engaging activity for your classroom. That's been how you can hyperlink in PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something about hyperlinking, and I thank you for watching.